Lizzy's morning. Hi. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about how often people do things. In our story, Lizzy says, "I usually eat cereal and milk." Then, she adds, "Sometimes, I have egg on toast or a jam sandwich." Usually and sometimes tell us how often we do something. Let's take a look at some frequency words. Remember to listen carefully and repeat after me. Always. Always. Usually. Usually. Often. Often. Sometimes. Sometimes. Seldom. Seldom. Never. Never. Great. Let's see how we can use the words in sentences. Don't forget to listen carefully and repeat after me. Always. I always do my homework. I always brush my teeth. I always take a shower. Usually. I usually have milk for breakfast. I usually play games on the weekend. I usually read a book in the evening. Often. I often help at home. I often call my friends. I often use a computer. Sometimes. I sometimes go to the park. I sometimes play soccer. I sometimes draw pictures. Seldom. I seldom eat junk food. I seldom visit my cousins. I seldom get angry. Never. I never drink coffee. I never run at home. I never fight with my brother. How about you? What do you always do? What do you usually do? What do you often do? What do you sometimes do? What do you seldom do? What do you never do? Thank you and see you in our next class.